If you walked to the edge of the universe and reached out your hand, what exactly do you think you'd touch? Most of us imagine an endless, open void, a freedom that goes on forever. But lately, the data coming back from our deeper senses is whispering something far more disturbing. It's suggesting that we aren't in an open field. We are in a room. Think about the air inside a balloon, to the microscopic creatures living in that air. The world feels infinite. They have no idea they are trapped inside a thin, rubber shell. They have no idea that their entire reality is just a tiny pocket of gas inside a much larger, much more dangerous room. What if the Big Bang wasn't a beginning at all, but something like a capture? What if the expansion we see is just the walls of our cage stretching thin? Some physicists are quietly exploring a disturbing idea that our universe could resemble the cooling interior of a collapsed star. We aren't the masters of space. We are the inmates of a cosmic remnant. Today, we're going to look at the evidence that suggests our universe isn't a house, it's a container, and something else is holding it. To understand how we could be inside something, we have to look at black holes. Most people see them as garbage disposals, things that just destroy. But for a physicist, a black hole is a transformation. When a massive star in a higher universe dies, it collapses. At that moment, the laws of physics flip inside out. Space becomes time, and time becomes space. There is a very real, very mathematical theory called black hole cosmology. It suggests that every time a black hole forms, it creates a new Big Bang on the inside. This leads to a chilling implication. Our universe could exist inside the aftermath of a dead star. Our entire history, every war, every discovery, every breath, is happening within the event horizon of a black hole that exists in another world. We think we are looking out at the stars, but we might just be looking at the glowing internal organs of a cosmic corpse. If you were in an infinite ocean, you'd never hear an echo. But if you're in a tank, you will. For years, we've looked at the afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background. We expected it to be random, like static. But it's not. We're finding strange patterns, rings in the sky. Some researchers interpret these patterns as ripples, possibly reflecting off a boundary. It's called the Finite Universe theory. It suggests that if you flew in one direction long enough, you wouldn't keep going forever. You'd end up exactly where you started. Why? Because you're trapped in a closed loop. The expansion we see isn't the universe growing into nothingness. It's the debris of an ancient explosion still trying to push against the walls of the container that holds us. We are living in a house with no doors. This is where it gets uncomfortable. If we are just the interior of a collapsed star, it means we are the leftovers. We are the smoke after the flame has been blown out. Every civilization believes they are the main character of the story. But in this model, we are just a side effect. We are living in the cooling period of a disaster that happened in a higher dimension. And the scariest part? That higher world is still out there. If the black hole we live in is ever disturbed, if it merges with another one or slowly evaporates, our entire universe simply glitches out of existence. We are at the mercy of an environment we can't see, can't hear, and can never reach. We aren't the creators of our destiny. We are the mold growing on a fallen fruit. Maybe that's why the universe feels so empty. It's not because we are alone. It's because we are contained. We spend our lives looking at the stars, dreaming of escaping our planet. But we never stop to think if we can ever escape our universe. If we are truly inside something else, then the edge isn't just a place, it's a boundary we were never designed to cross. Are we the beginning of something new? Or are we just the last faint glow of something that's already gone? The deeper we look, the more it feels like we're not searching for answers, we're searching for the exit. None of this is settled science, but the fact that such questions are being asked at all tells us something is missing from our understanding. Stay curious, stay careful. This is Cosmos Protocol.